This is a quick introduction on how to access ST Math and some of its features that are offered so that you're able to assist your students while they are working with Gigi. We are here at the district website, and there is a quick link on the website available in the teacher resources. However, we're going to go ahead and in our address bar, type in www.stmath.com. And that will take us to our welcome screen. I'm going to click on Teacher Login in the corner. You'll go ahead and type in your username, which is traditionally the first 3 letters of your school, and then your credentials, your first initial last name, as they would be for the district, and then your password. And click Login. All right, so the first screen that you see when you log in as a teacher has the following tabs across the top. So a list of your students, a quick progress report is the immediate default, shows you how the students are doing in the program. The curriculum tab across the top shows you the syllabus that the students are working in and the sequence of the topics that they're working in. And then the quick tab for alerts shows you just that, certain students, how they're doing, and some places that you may want to go during this login that your students have in ST Math. So what would be a great practice for our teachers when they log in for the first time, or actually when they log in each time before their students jump on the computer to do ST, would be to go quickly to the Reports tab and just take a glance. Here, first and foremost in this Alert column, this would also match the Alerts tab here. So if you're more familiar with this page, we're looking for large bubbles. The bigger the bubble, the bigger the trouble the student is having. Okay, we're also looking here for these dots at the bottom, which indicate the number of tries a student has had on a particular game. So the more dots means the more tries and the student is possibly stuck. So this could be a quick glance at maybe the students that you would need to focus on. For example, in this class, we would go visit Isaiah, and we would definitely want to go visit Javian. We can also see the same information under the Alerts tab. So you can see here are our 2 kiddos from the previous screen, and we can go quickly to them during ST lab time and help them with their needs. Okay, Isaiah here has a number of tries, lots of tries. It says that high number of tries, extra plays, low time on task. So these would be students that you would want to visit during lab time in ST. So these tabs across the top would be just quick places you would want to glance in while the students are logging in. You would want to log in here, take a look. Okay, here are the students I'm going to target during this session in ST. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you a screen that the students would be looking at and give you some tips to help during lab time as well to facilitate some things you might want to look for. So I'm just going to pull up a game here. All right, so as students are playing in a game and an activity, oftentimes our students will be here stuck in a game. What do I do? Those that are new, remember we prompt them with facilitating questions. We say, well, what do you notice? What's happening when you move the mouse around? I see this arrow. What does that mean? Oh, let's try this. So we put it there. Let's see. Oh, I saw the red heart go in the red column. Oh, and in the row with the heart. I see. Is that getting what we need? Does Gigi go across the screen? Okay, so we can talk through that. Okay, so while we're here on the screen, what we'll talk you through is some of these features that are down here at the bottom of the screen. While the students are working, you're able to sort of monitor their progress as well, right in real time. So instead of using the reports and the alerts page from before, you can see all that happening right here. You can see that no games have been played right now. There's 0 progress through this. Student still has 2 GG tries, including the one that they have right now, and that this student is on level 2 of this activity. So as we watch what happens in terms of students working through the game, you can see how the percentage will change. All right, so we completed one portion of this game. Now, if a student starts to do some of the work incorrectly, that's when we'll notice some different things happening. Lost a GG try. And then the student tries again. Again, we've lost a GG try. So it takes us back. It says you've only done 16% of this particular game. Try again. So the students would play the gray. They would repeat the entire level. Again, getting those visual reminders for this particular game of how to go ahead and play the game. Okay, and so then we can see here in this indicator that I had already played up to a certain percentage of the game, and this is my second try because I already have one try happening down here. So same kind of dots and progress that you saw on the reports from before, we can monitor down here while the students are playing. In the event that you didn't have the opportunity to log in and take a look at the report, you can walk around and see students on screen and use that tracking bar in the games to kind of get that same information. Okay. I'll show you one more feature and then we'll close out for this little short session. In the event that you're working on something in class and you want students to do that same kind of content, this piece here, this curriculum tab, allows you to move around pieces in the syllabus. So if we were working on measuring and I wanted students to do that, I could drag that right up here to the top. And then when the students log in, that would be the syllabus piece that they would play. So you can kind of reorder the syllabus to match your units of instruction and kind of coincide with instruction as well. And you notice that when I was in here and went to a game, you can pull up GG right in class. You would do that with open access and have GG as a part of your lesson to just reinforce concepts and skills that the students are going to see when they sit down to play GG. Okay, I hope you found this session helpful. Look for more shortcuts and tips in ST Math down the road. Thank you.